You want to unbox 4 big boxes of dolls with me? Some of these are going to be listed on my eBay for sale. I will post the link in my bio, but here we go. You know who these guys are, right? They don't work anymore. Kewpie. Look how cute he is.
Hey, Mommy,
This
did
one,
we get...
and everybody had one of these in the 80s, I think. Cute little one. Cabbage Patch doll bag. Super cute. I have never seen one of these. Isn't that so cute? This Starlings. He is plastic. Comes with a book. How cool is that? Captain Kangaroo. Mr. Peanut. This one is so old. Snap, Crackle, Pop, Pop. This is Pop, yeah. Of course, Raggedy Ann and Raggedy Andy. Okay, this is really cool. So, I already opened this one because it was hard to open. But, I'm going to have to research some of these because some of them are really, really old. Like this one. How cool is that? She's on a stick. Maybe she went in another doll's body. I don't know, but I have never ever seen anything like this. There's also this little bisque porcelain boy. He is so cute and so tiny. His eyes do not open and close. And then we have this. So it's like a tweed, bamboo. Look how cute. Little boy and girl, bisque porcelain, I think, but they're really tiny. I haven't seen one of these either. So super cool, super cool. So I unboxed these off of camera because they were all wadded up in tissues because they're breakable, but some more frozen Charlottes and bisque porcelain. Some of them have really, really old joints. Japan. Some of them have leg joints, which is super cool. I think this one's a frozen Charlotte. Correct me if I'm wrong, I think she is. This guy. I love this guy. Okay, so there's a box in the box. Let's see what's in it. Alright, so this is like a paper doll. Really cool, really cool. Let me unwrap these and then I'll start the video again. Okay, so we got Grandma's cookies. She's a bank, but she's never been opened. And I thought this little guy was so cute. We have a German family. Tiny dolls. A Valentine's Kewpie pin. That is so cute.
Mommy.
This doll. Not quite sure where he's from, but he's pretty cool looking. He's really old, I can tell. Look at the way his face is painted. And then I have a whole bunch of celluloid dolls. Oh, besides them. They're flat. So there's 2 of them that are like that, or 3. This one's face has been smushed in, but she's still really cute and I like her crocheted outfit. This cop has a really big hand. Never seen one like that. And then this little guy, He's weighted on the bottom, so he's supposed to be able to stand up. All right, box number 2. This is so much fun. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what's in here.
Hi.
All right, here we go. Set of 3 nicest kids, or the nicest kids. We've got more Raggedy Ann and Andy. Oh wait, this is a Topsy-Turvy doll.
Hi.
I don't know if you guys have ever seen one of these, but they're really cool. There's a Red Riding Hood. She's Red Riding Hood, and on the underside it's the wolf. Yeah, they do not make dolls like this. Eyes are square. I think this one was probably handmade. Okay, I don't know if this is Raggedy Ann, but they have orange hair.
Yeah.
Everybody knows who this is. It's the Hamburglar.
Me.
All right, more Raggedy Anns, except these ones are gray. I have to look these up. This one is super cool. Her name is Allergy Annie. Look at her eyes. These are rare. She's smaller than I thought, but she's still pretty cool. I think this one might be in my personal collection. Meaning I'm probably gonna keep her, not sell her. I'm weird on camera, I'm sorry. Okay, so we've got the dwarves. Sneezy, Sleepy, Goofy. And which one is this? It doesn't say. If you guys know, do you remember? I don't. And then I think this one's a dwarf. Oh, it sticks on the window. That's cool. Really tiny Raggedy Anns. Big Raggedy Ann. And another orange Raggedy Ann. Raggedy Andy. Let's see. Got more Raggedy Anns. Raggedy Ann and Andy. And another Raggedy Ann and Andy. Oh, this one's just Raggedy Ann with orange hair. Alright, so there's another box in a box, so I will be right back while I open that one. Okay, so I got several of these. They're bisque. Look how cute the face is. Alright, and so I got 4 of her. This little cute one. Some more. Some of them, their joints are held in with wire, and the other ones are held in with elastic. Ugh. This baby. Another dwarf, and another small gray Raggedy Ann. And that's it. I have 3 more boxes coming, so I'll make another video of unboxing those. Some of these dolls are going to be available. I haven't decided which ones yet. Some of them I'm definitely going to keep because they're really cool. So if you see any of the dolls that you like, just let me know. Maybe we can work out a deal. But anyway, thank you for watching. Sorry I'm awkward. I hope you guys have a nice day.